Okay, what we will see is nothing but here now the all about the west flowing rivers. Okay, that is nothing but the west flowing rivers, the all about west flowing rivers. Okay, all about west flowing rivers. Okay, the first, okay, the first one is nothing but the Narmada. Okay, the Narmada river. Okay, this Narmada river is nothing but it is the first longest west flowing river, first longest west flowing river. Okay, and also the Narmada river is there, no, it is the oldest river in India. It is also the oldest, okay, the oldest river in India. Okay, it is nothing but the one and only oldest river in India. The second one is nothing but Tapi. What is this Tapi means? This Tapi means, okay, this Tapi means, Tapi means Tapi river. It is the second longest west, second longest west flowing river. This is the second longest west flowing river in India. Okay, and next this Luni and Sabarmati rivers. Okay, Luni and Sabarmati, Luni and Sabarmati rivers. Okay, born at Aravalli ranges or Aravalli mountains. Okay, that is the thing. Then the fourth one is nothing but this what to say, Mahi river. Okay, this Mahi river born at Mahi river is born at, okay, it is nothing but Vindhya. It is born at Vindhya mountains. Okay, Vindhya mountains. Okay, next one is nothing but the Tapi river. The Tapi river, it is born at, where it is born? Tapi river. Okay, Tapi river is born at is Multai Hills. Tapi river is born at Multai Hills. Okay, it is nothing but the one and only Multai Hills. Tapi river, it is born at Multai Hills. Okay, then the Narmada river. Okay, whatever this Narmada river is there, no, this Narmada river born at, this Narmada river is born at where? It is Amarkantak. Okay, Amarkantak, Vindhya Hills. Amarkantak, Vindhya Hills or Mount Vindhya, or it is nothing but Maikal Hills. Okay, in Vindhya it is Maikal Hills. It's Maikal Hills. That is the thing. Okay, this is the Narmada river. Then this Surat city is there, no? Surat city is on bank of Tapi river. Okay, it is on the bank of Tapi river. Surat city is on the bank of, okay, Tapi river. And next the one and only, that is Luni river is there, no? this Luni river merges into Ran of Kutch. Okay, this Luni river is there, no? It is the only inland river in India. Only inland river. Only inland river in India. Luni is the only inland river in India. Okay, and also this is the only river in Rajasthan. Okay, only river in Rajasthan. This Luni river is there, no? It is the only river in Rajasthan. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, in India, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. Okay, this is located, where it is located? Kevadi village. Kevadi village. Okay, Kevadi village on bank of river Narmada. On bank of river Narmada. It is the highest statue in India. Highest statue in India. Okay, it is the highest statue in India. This is the thing. Then next, this Tapi river is there, no? This Tapi rivers, the other name for Tapi river, it is nothing but Tapati. The other name of Tapi river is nothing but Tapati. Okay, next, on this Narmada river, whatever this Narmada river, this is the Narmada river. Okay, this Narmada river is having two projects, that is Narmada Sagar project. Narmada Sagar project, and the other one is nothing but the one and only Sardar Sarovar project. Sardar Sarovar project. Okay, that is the thing, this Narmada river. Okay, so what we have seen, nothing but here, that rivers, that west flowing rivers is nothing but we have seen that Luni, okay, then Sabarmati, and then we have seen Narmada river and Tapi. Okay, Tapi, and we have seen Mahi. Okay, these are the different what to say, these west flowing rivers. Okay, this is all about these west flowing rivers. Okay, thank you.